Think about the start of a basketball game. The crowd gets pumped up as the players run onto the court. There's music and cheering. Similar to how the energy at the beginning of a game sets the tone for the event, how you start your creative ideation session sets the stage for the entire experience. This video will cover 3 steps for making sure you have a strong start to your session: climate setters, meeting norms, and establishing your purpose. This is where your knowledge and understanding of the facilitation principles will come in handy. Remember that the session you're conducting for your Tori's Tacos marketing team is a hybrid meeting. Ensure that you have told everyone attending in person to bring their own computer to ensure that they can all enter the call and share their camera, as well as interact with the Lucidspark board you have created. Get on the call early and play some upbeat music in the background and provide time for everyone to access the Lucidspark board and double check that they have all the features needed. Remember, when sharing the board, you have 2 options. 1, to share the entire board, or share out the Lucidspark board via a pathway you have already created during the design phase of your session. Quick Lucidspark tips. Before sharing out your Lucidspark board with participants, turn on Make Me a Facilitator and choose what controls you want sole control over. And turn on the Collaborator Colors tool to ensure that as people enter the board, they already have assigned a unique sticky note color. Consider assigning a chat master, a person who reviews the chat in your video conferencing tool, so that you don't have to manage all forms of communication. Quick video conferencing tip. When you're sharing your screen, ask effective questions like, can anyone not see my screen? When audio and video is up and running and everyone has access to the board, bring down the music slowly and start your session. To start the session off strong, you are going to want to kick things off with a climate setter. As a reminder, this is an activity to help create comfort, relaxation, and establish trust among a group to stimulate creative thinking and connection. A strong climate setter example when you have a mixed group of people who may not know each other is that of an introduction activity. Include an example of an introduction box that you've completed with your own information, like name, job role, what you hope to bring to the session, skills, perspective, etc. And since we'll be ideating on new marketing campaign ideas, tell about a favorite commercial, ad, or even marketing campaign. Set everyone loose to complete their collaborator info box and then take turns doing introductions and sharing. Again, encourage team members to get creative with their introduction boxes using GIFs, images, sticky notes, etc., and encourage them to show support for each other as they present by using emojis. Make sure that with any activity you choose, whether it's an intro activity or one of our visual activities, that you communicate the role of each individual in the session. This includes you. If you're acting as both the sponsor and the facilitator, this is a great time to explain that you're acting in both roles and that you'll explicitly state when you're acting in one versus the other. Starting off with an activity like this will ensure you are following the principle of controlling the climate, where you are immediately creating an environment where participants focus on solving problems and bringing their whole selves to the session. Continuing with the principle, control the climate, transition to inviting participants to establish norms for the session. Communicate that session norms help build trust and create a shared commitment to the success of the session. Have a few norm ideas on the board, like everyone is muted when not speaking, default to cameras on, put away phones and other distractions, speak clearly into your microphone, especially when in the room, jump in when things aren't clear, especially when remote, write like there is no tomorrow. Otherwise, the group can't add your ideas to the shared consciousness. Take turns. raise hands in Zoom to make sure everyone's contributions are heard. Use voting to prioritize and/or get closure on topics and decisions. And utilize the parking lot to hold on to ideas that need to be discussed further. Using the timer, give participants time to add their own ideas to the norms. Encourage GIFs, emojis, lots of nonverbal communication for the norms they like and support. This is a good practice for the rest of the session. Once the timer ends, bring the group back together and vote on the final list of norms. Always best to keep it between 3 to 5 norms. Consider doing a fist to 5 exercise to gauge the commitment of these norms. This means asking the group if 5 is fully committed, how are you feeling about the norms? I will count to 3, and on 3, show your number of fingers, either a fist for no commitment to a 5 for full commitment. Now that you have set the climate and gotten people in agreement on how the session should run, it's time to answer the big question. Why are we here? Utilize the Facilitator tool to take the lead and draw attention to the agenda for the session in case people are in different spots within the pathway. Once you stop taking the lead, they will be back in the pathway. Review what today's session will include and really highlight the objectives for each activity to ensure that everyone is on the same page as you move forward into each section. As a facilitator, your agenda breakdown is your map to help guide you and your team to the outcomes that will drive success. Reviewing your agenda will help the team to follow the principle to foster collaboration, because this ensures that people know what is going to be asked of them throughout the entire session. All right, now you know the 3 steps to starting a session off strong. Kick things off with a climate setter. Create and decide on meeting norms. And last, but certainly not least, establish your purpose and why you are here. Continue on to view a support guide in Lucidspark full of resources for you to use in your own session. We'll see you in the next video where we will get into the messy middle of the ideation experience. See you all soon.